What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to make and receive calls on any smartwatch. Now it doesn't matter the type or brand of smartwatch you have. By following the steps I will be giving you in this particular video carefully, you should be able to make and receive calls on any smartwatch you have. Also, if you're having the problem where whenever you try to make calls and enter the number on your smartwatch and then press on the call icon, it does not go, I will also show you how to fix this issue so that you can successfully make call on any smartwatch you have. Now, the first step is to basically connect your phone to your smartwatch using the app of the smartwatch. And if you do not know the app that your own smartwatch uses, just go ahead and scan the QR code on the smartwatch. You can literally find it over here, or alternatively on the paperwork or manual that actually come with your smartwatch, you should be able to find a QR code that looks just like this. Go ahead and open up the camera app on your phone and then just scan the QR code to find out the app that your own smartwatch uses. Once you open this up on the browser, in my case, it is actually the Fitpro Smartwatch app, but in your case, it can be any smartwatch app like the HryFine Smartwatch app, Laxasfit, HiWatch Pro, or any smartwatch app. The process for all of these smartwatches is quite simple. All you just have to do is to make sure you download and install the app into your phone. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and open this up on the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone. Click on the install button over here to get the app. And once the app is downloaded and installed, the setup process is quite simple. First things first, you actually have to make sure you turn on the Bluetooth of your phone, and then also proceed to make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone, as you can see over here. Now you just want to go ahead and open up the app of your smartwatch just like so. The setup process is usually quite simple. You just have to agree to all of the terms and conditions over here. Click on agree, and then give it all of the permission it needs as well so that it can function properly. For some smartwatches, you will also be required to log into the app. Just make sure you log in. Proceed to give it permission to access the location of your phone so that it can actually search and connect to your smartwatch. Now once you're done, you should be able to find the devices tab or sets tab at the bottom of your smartwatch app, just like so, and then just proceed to bind both devices or connect both devices together. So you can literally see the bind devices to experience more features over here. Select that and then click on the allow button over here. Now it is currently searching for the name of my smartwatch. In my case, it is actually the Watch 8. I'll go ahead and select it from over here, and it is trying to connect. You want to give it some few seconds, and once both devices are connected together, you're good to go. But for you to be able to make and receive calls from your smartwatch to your phone, you actually have to make sure you pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. So make sure you click on the got it button over here, and you should be able to see a pop-up asking you to pair both devices via Bluetooth. If you do not see it, make sure you go over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and then from the Bluetooth settings over here, make sure you are actually connected to the name of your smartwatch as well. In my case, it is the Watch 8, so I'll go ahead and search for devices one more time on my phone so I can actually connect to it. If you're still not able to find the name of your smartwatch, you can just go ahead and turn off your Bluetooth, turn it on again, and try to search for available devices. As you can see, mine is currently searching at the bottom. Now you can literally see my Watch 8. I'll go ahead and make sure I also pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. So click on pair, and now I have successfully connected my smartwatch to my phone using Bluetooth and also using the smartwatch app. And at this point, you should be able to make and receive calls from your smartwatch. However, for some smartwatches, you also have to make sure you turn on the Bluetooth calling feature. So swipe down or swipe up depending on your smartwatch, and you should be able to find a Bluetooth calling icon just like this. Click on it, and from here you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth calling feature. If you do not see the turn on option, just make sure it is set to intelligent mode, but make sure that Bluetooth calling is not turned off. In my case, it is actually at intelligent mode at this point. So I will now go ahead and try making a call on my smartwatch, and it will definitely go on my phone. So I'll just try calling a number, then click on the call icon over here, and as you can see, it is currently calling this number. You want to give it some few seconds, and also it is calling that number on my phone as well. Also, at this point, you should be able to receive calls from your phone using your smartwatch as well. So I'll just go ahead and try calling myself now using my other phone, and you're going to see as I will receive it on both the smartwatch and my phone connected to the smartwatch. As you can see, it really comes into my phone and the smartwatch as well. So aside from making calls, you should also be able to receive calls and pick up calls with your smartwatch connected to your phone. Now, if you're having the problem where after trying to call a particular number, you press on the call icon and it still does not go on your smartwatch, what you just want to do is to actually make sure you connect to the Bluetooth of your smartwatch on your phone as well. So even after connecting both devices via the smartwatch app, like in my case, it is actually the Fitpro app over here, you also want to make sure you connect both devices via Bluetooth as well. In some smartwatches, there are actually 2 Bluetooth options. So even after connecting to the Watch 8, you're also going to see another Watch 8 again that you're still going to connect to, but this is actually in some smartwatches. Make sure you connect to both Bluetooth of the smartwatch and you should be able to make and receive calls on your smartwatch without even needing your phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.